Alright, what's going on out there, YouTube? I got this on the deal. I traded a Wii that was working and a Wii that I don't know if it was working or not. And about 20 games, an old PlayStation 2 and a DS for this Losi Mini 8T. I need a little help out here, only because I don't know if I need to change out the motor and the ESC, or I don't know what to do, or is it the batteries or what. But I'm about to show you right now what happens when I give it full. It's not even no more than like 10 seconds of playing, and then the shit is like it's going into protect. So I need some help out here. All right. Let me get down there so you can see what we're running. It's running stock, whatever it came with the engine. You might not see it because I got my light on, but that's what it is. That's in there, the dynamic. And I'm going to turn it on. See, right now we got the green light. Everything's a go. Now, I'm going to give it full throttle for as long as it can go. And watch this thing go into protect. Everything works. Here we go. Yeah, like, what's good with that? Is it the ESC, the motor, the batteries? I don't know. I'm not even getting, like, I'm telling you, that was like 10 seconds of playtime right there. That's no good. Even right out of the box, you're not even supposed to get that. So, can anybody help me? Let me know what's going on or how to fix this. What I need to go about to fix this. Thank you. And if anybody knows, I definitely would like for Squirrel to reply to this, or RC Militia, or, you know, I watch you guys' videos all the time, so that'll be a good heads up. Alright, I'm out.